This conference will now be recorded.
So we have a simple definition of average, which is like sum of observations divided by number of observations. Okay, so this is 5, this is 12. What is the value of this one? 13.5, 11.5, 12, and 15. Okay, one person told me 12, one is 13 and 12.5. Any other options? Guys, it's very easy. A lot of you are giving 12 and 13, 12.5. I got one or two answers. Okay. So what we have to do is adding all the values and divide it by 4. 13.5 plus 11.5. It is 25, right? It is, what's the value of this? 27. Total becomes 27 plus 25. It is 52. Divided by 4, it is 13. So answer for this question is 13. Is it clear to all? Do you have any doubt how to calculate average of given numbers? Okay. So what does average mean? Let me tell you, I told you that there are 5 people. Suppose that there are 3 people and one has 5, this person has 11, and this person has 14. Now, what is average? Yes, 10. What does it mean? That there is asymmetry, there is non-symmetry, what you can say. So we have to make symmetry here. What I mean by symmetry, everyone should be getting equal values. It is 10, it is 10, it is 10. Now it's the average. Total values, we have 30 in this case, and in this case it is 30. So this is why we use average. So I'll be telling you how to do it, how to use this concept in next slides. Okay. So basically where you can find a question on percentage, sorry, average. Where you can find a question on average? Age related questions, height related questions, and weight related questions can be asked in your exam. So in this lecture, what we are going to do is we will be learning through examples or some questions. So we will be taking a lot of different type of questions and we will be solving them, right? So can you please solve this question for me? Find the average of first 13 natural numbers. Pranav, your answer is 3. Okay, Soumya 465. Let us see how many answers do we get. 15.5. 15.5. Okay. So we have to do sum of observations, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 30, right? So there is a formula of doing it. It is n plus 1 divided by 2. What is this? Sum of first n natural numbers. So we can easily do it. Now, number of observations, which is 30. Sum of observations is this. Number of observation is this. I just have to solve it. It is 15.5. Also, how we can do it? Anushka, you don't have to multiply because you can directly cut it. Right? I don't want to make my calculations complex. Okay, so you just have to understand one thing. So what is the average here? Guys, can you please tell me? N is the number of terms. In this case, N is 30. If someone asks you, like you have to calculate sum of first 10 natural numbers. So n will be 10. Is it clear? Okay, how do you do this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I add 6 here, what will be the value? 3.5.
Sir,
Well, guys, keep yourself muted. If you have
hello.
any doubt, use the chat box. Yes. So I just wanted to tell you one thing here. If there is a common difference, what I mean by common difference, this is one difference between these two numbers. Here it is one again. Okay, Karnika, y will be divided with 30. Let me tell you, you have to find out average, not the sum. Is it clear? Guys, let me explain it again. I think a lot of you are confused here. Okay, so first 13 natural numbers. I told you there is a formula n plus 1 divided by 2, where n equals to number of terms. This is sum of n natural numbers. This is sum, and we know that what is average? Average equals to sum divided by number of terms, number of observations, you can say. Is it? Sum is 30 multiplied by 30 plus 1, which is 31, divided by 2. Now we have to divide it by number of observations. Till 30, how many numbers are there? 30. So I can easily do it. Is it clear? Yes, yes, yes. No, this formula is only for natural numbers, not on prime numbers. Okay. So now I just wanted to make you understand one thing. 1, 3, 5, 7. What is the average here? So when there is a common difference between all the numbers, which is like this, 2, 2, and 2. In this case, it is 1, 1, 1, and 1. What you can do is this number plus this number divided by 2. So average will be, average for whole of the series, average will be 1 plus 7 divided by 2. It is 4. Is it clear to everyone? Do you have any doubt? But common difference should be there. You don't have to add all the numbers. You just have to add first and last number. Anyone has any doubt? What I wanted to say, if I have 3, 8, 13, and 18, what will be the average? Guys, please be very quick. Very good, very good. $11.5 and 21 by 2, 5.25. Very good, guys. We got 3 answers for a question. Guys, can't we do it like this? A lot of you are giving 11.5. I don't understand. And some of you are saying 5.25. Okay. Are you sure? 4.2. Very good, guys. So I got 4 answers for a basic question. Can't we do it like 3 plus 8 plus 13 plus 18 divided by 4? Isn't it that easy? 11 plus 13, it is 24, plus 18. Guys, 42 divided by 4, it is 10.5. I told you what you have to do is 3 plus 18 because common difference is 5 here. In this case, it is 5 again, and here it is 5 again. 3 plus 18, which is 21, divided by 2, which is 10.5. It is that easy. A lot of you are giving answers like 11.5, 5.25, 4.2. You can't make these mistakes. This is very basic. Is it clear to everyone? When there is a common difference, so you have to add first and last number and divide it by 2. Is it clear to everyone? What you have to do is, like what you have done, you have written this like this. Is it? A lot of you have done this mistake. Yes, no? Yeah, I knew. So guys, you just have to be very careful. 21 by 2 is 10.5, not 11.5. Okay, it is clear to everyone. Now we have some questions. Okay, so if there is a common difference of 5, you can use it. So there was a common difference, 8, 13, what were the numbers? 3 and 18, right? So common difference is 5. It is 5 again. It is 5 again. So I don't have to add all these numbers. I just wanted to say that you have to add 3 and 18. And then you can divide it by 2. But if it is 12, so there will be a difference of 4. You cannot directly add this and this. You have to add all of these numbers. I think it is clear now. Okay, I have 2 questions in this slide. Try to solve the first one. In a class of 30 students, the average age is 12 years if the age of the class teacher is included. The new average age of the class becomes 13. Find the age of the class teacher. Yes, Soumya, you can do it. You can use the same item because common difference is 1. You just have to add 1 plus 6, which is 7, divided by 2. It will be 3.5. You can calculate the average and it will be 3.5. Adit, 43, 43, 43. Okay, everyone is getting 43. Okay, Anushka, 40. Let more people solve. Guys, take your time, try to solve this question. Uh, what do I have to repeat? This question? Yes, yes, it's I'll be solving this question for you. Don't worry, I'll be solving. I just wanted to see what answers are you guys getting. So I have got 2 answers for this question, 43 and 40. 42, Kashish, very good. 3 answers. So correct answer for this question is 43. So basically there are 2 approaches. The first one is the conventional method. If you want me to solve it like that, I'll be doing it. If you want me to tell you a trick, then you can do it as well. Okay, what do you want? A conventional method? Both, very good. And the trick. Okay, let me tell you the conventional method first and then we'll go for trick. Cool. So as per the question, there are 30 students and average age is 12. Okay, guys, can you please tell me one thing? There was a formula average equals to, what is the formula? Sum divided by number of terms. Is it clear? Do I need to write it completely? Sum of observations divided by number of observations. That means there are 30 students, so number of observations will be 30. Now this value is given, which is 12. this value is given, which is 30. Can I find out the sum? Yes. Can I do it like this? Sum will be sum of age equals to 12 multiplied by 30. It is 360. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt? Guys, I am being very slow. If you have any doubt, please ask. Okay. Okay. So as per the question, if the age of the class teacher is included, the new average age of the class becomes 13. Is it? Yes. So now, how many people do I have now? 31. Plus 30 students plus one teacher, it is 31. Number of people, number of observations, 31. Now, and what is the average age? 30. So what I have to do is, I just have to multiply these numbers, right? So 13 multiplied by 31. Guys, can you please tell me what will be the value? Is it 403? Yes. So now, when the age of teacher was not included, it was 360. But we have included the age of the teacher. It is 403. What is the difference? 43. This must be the age of the teacher. Is it clear? So answer for this question is 43. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt? Guys, I'm really being very slow. If you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, cool. So let us learn a trick now. Okay. So guys, what I told you that average is to divide everything equally. Pranav, do you have to explain this again? Okay, so we have to find out the sum of ages, which is 12 multiplied by 30. How can I do it? Okay, I'll explain it again. Don't worry. So I told you there is a formula average. Guys, please pay attention. Equals to, okay, pay attention. Average equals to sum of the values divided by number of values. This is the formula. Average is given to be 12. Here you can see number of people is 30. So if I have to find out the sum, I just have to multiply, cross multiply, and it will be 12 multiplied by 30, which is 360. When I add, no, Vanishri, you cannot use an n plus 1 by 2 because this is for natural numbers only. Let us pay attention here. So yes, as per the question, new average is 13 when the age of teacher is included, and it is number of people 31 because 30 students plus one teacher, it is 31. Now new sum of ages will be 13 multiplied by 31, which is 403. So the difference is 43, which is because of the teacher, because the age of teacher is 43. It is 43. Is it clear to everyone? I think it is clear to everyone. Now let us move on to the trick. I told you that average is to satisfy every person. What we do is we give equal amount to everyone, right? If there are 31 people, if there are 30 people, I'll be giving 12, 12, 12, 12 to everyone. Maybe some people are of 8 years old. Some of them are of 15 years of age. But by giving the average, what I have done is I have given everyone 12 years. Is it clear to everyone till now? Similarly, when there are 31 people, I have done it 13, 13, 13, 13. Okay, so there is a trick. Try to understand that when there were 30 people, the average was 12. Now there are 31 people, the average is 13. So now there is a teacher added. He must have got an average of 13. Yes? No, it is very easy. This trick is really easy. You don't have to write 12, 12, 12 every time. You just have to understand it once and then you'll do it without pen and paper. Okay, so try to understand what I'm saying, trying to say. 13 is there for everyone, including the teacher. So teacher has 13 in this. Now, there is a difference of 1 in the previous average and in the new average. And how many ones are there? Guys, can you please tell me? 30. Is it? 30 ones are there? Why are these ones added? Because of the new teacher's age. New teacher's age is 43 and it is further divided into some parts, and these parts are divided among these students. Everyone has got 1, so that it becomes 12 plus 1, 30. Is it clear? Now let me make it more clear. Okay, so I told you, let me rub it first. Okay, so in this question, 30 students have 12 average, 31 people have 13 average. Now you just have to understand that there is an increment of 1. That means total increment would be 30 because everyone has got 1 extra age, right? Total increment would be 30 plus teacher's average age is 30. So it is 43. You can directly solve it. Is it clear to everyone? If yes, then it is good. If not, use the conventional method. Let's move on to the next question. In a class of 25 boys and 15 girls, the average heights of two groups of boys and girls are 150 centimeter and 140 centimeter respectively. Find the average height of the class. Very fast, very fast. Yes, Vikas, what is your question? You can type your question and we'll solve it. Okay, your answer is 146.25. Let us check. How do you guys solve it? Guys, have you seen the video of mixtures and alligation? Vikas, you can do it. If there were 30 people, you can easily do it. Okay. Yes, Vikas, we can do it. You just type the question and post it in the group in which you are added, and we will solve it there. Okay. So second question is, in a class of 25 boys, 15 girls, the average height of two groups is 150, 140. Find the average height of the class. Okay, what you have to do is, I just have to find out the total height, which is 150 multiplied by 25. Can I get the total height? What is the value? Guys, please be very quick. 3750. Very good. 140 multiplied by 15. 2100. Very good. Now I have to add these values, which is 5850. Very good. Divided by 40. Is it? It becomes 146.25. If you want me to solve it through mixtures and alligation, I can do it. Say yes or no. You don't have to do this much. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. So can you please tell me the data, which was like 25 boys, right? And 15 girls. Is it? What is the average height here? Guys, 150. Yes. And here 140. Right. Okay. So I have to find out the average. Can we do it like this? 150 minus x, x minus 140. And the ratio should be this. This 1 divided by 150 minus x equals to 25 by 15, which is 5 by 3. Can we solve it for x? It will be 146.25. Karnika, have you seen the video of mixtures and alligations? You know the alligation rule? Yes, no? Okay, let me tell you. Let me tell you one second. Guys, please tell me one thing. No, Soumya, we are not going to cover mixtures and allegations in this lecture. If you have any doubt, ask it on the board. Yes. So let me make it more clear. So guys, can you please tell me one thing? Uh, is it clear to everyone? This method is clear to everyone? Guys, please pay attention and be very quick. Okay, I told you the method which was for allegation. You can just watch the video of allegation, and if you still have any doubt, you can ask it on the group. Next question. If a person with age 55 joins a group of 5 persons with an average age of 49 years, what will be the new average age of the group? Very easy question. Fifty. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. I told you a concept of average, which is like 49, 49, 49, 49, and 49 for 5 people. I'm doing it for your understanding. You can do it without pen and paper. Okay. Now a new person came which has 55, right? So I have to make everyone equal. What I can do is I can make it 49 first. Now I have 6 left. What I'll do is I'll distribute 6 in every person. It will be this. Guys, don't scare me. Keep yourself muted. Is it clear to everyone? You can also use the conventional method, which is like 5 multiplied by 49, and that add 55 in it, and then divide it by 6. Hello, Pragya, can you hear me? Guys, am I audible to everyone? Say yes, no. Okay, if I'm not audible, how will you say? How will you respond? Let me type it. Pragya, check your internet connection if you can't hear me. Okay, so let me explain it again. Don't worry, I'll do it. So there is a question which is like 5 persons, average is 49. What is the total? 49 multiplied by 5. Who will tell me what is the value? Now, a new person has joined the team, which is of 55 age. Total becomes 300. Is it clear? Now, total number of people are 5 plus 1 because of this person. So I have to divide it by 6. It is 50. Is it clear to everyone? If you find this method easy, you can do it like this. And if you want to do like there are 5 people, so what I do, you have to understand my thought process. Let me tell you how I think about this question. So I see a number which is like 55 of a new person. Okay, 5 persons are here, average is 49. Now if I get a new person, I have to distribute this age among everyone, right? So what I have to do is I have to give this person 49 first. I'll give him 49. So I have 6 now. I have to distribute this 6 among these 6 people. 5 plus this 1. So I'll do it directly. So yes, 6 people, you have to distribute 6. Everyone will get 1. So it will be 49 plus 1. It is 50. Is it clear? I'm really sorry for my handwriting. Very easy question. Let us move on to the next question. The average of a batsman in 16 innings is 36. In the next inning, he is scoring 70 runs. What will be his new average? Okay, guys, you are very fast. 38, 38, 38. Let us see what is the answer. We will solve. Don't worry. Okay, guys, I told you a trick. Like, so there are 16 innings, and 36 is the new average. So is the previous average, right? So I have 70, and I have to distribute this 70 in these 17 innings. 16 this, and 17th inning is this one. Total 17 innings are there, right? So what I'll do is I'll give this inning 36 first. Because of this 36, everyone should get 36, right? Now I'm left with 34, and 34 we have to divide it in 17 innings, right? So it will be 2 per inning. So I have to add 2. So new average will be 38. Is it clear to everyone? Not? I will be solving it by conventional method if you want me to solve it. Otherwise, you can do it like this: 16 multiplied by 36. What is the value? Guys, please be very quick. Okay, Simran, I'll tell you. So tell me this thing: 16 multiplied by 36, 576. Don't use calculator. And if you are not using calculator, then you are very fast. That is very good. Okay, okay, 576. You can also do it. Very easy. Now, in the next innings, he is scoring 70 runs. So I have to add 70. 70, sorry, not 70, 70 in one inning. So it will become, what will be the value? 646. Very good. And number of innings, now we have 16 plus 1, which is 17. You just have to divide it by 17, and you will get 38. Can we do the division, or do I have to do it like this? Is it clear to everyone? 38 will be the answer. No, these are very basic questions. Now I just wanted to make you understand the concepts first, and then we will be solving next questions. Okay, let us move. Okay, try to solve this question. The average age of 29 students is 18. If the age of the teacher is also included, the average age of the class becomes 18.2. Find the age of the teacher. Very easy question. Guys, start solving these questions without pen and paper. You can do it. You just have to be with me. You just have to develop a thought process, and then you can do it. 24. Okay. Anushka, Anjali, Parnika, 24. Very fast. How you guys are doing? Conventional method or the trick? Are you guys using calculator? Very fast. Good, good, good. So let me tell you, see what is done here. Average of 29 people is 18. If age of teacher is also included, which is now the new average is 18.2. So why do we have this point 2? And this point 2 is given to everyone, right? Everyone, what I mean by everyone, 29 people will be getting this point 2. Is it clear to everyone? 29 is multiplied by 0.2, because see, the previous average was 18, right? The new average is 18.2. I have, like, I can see that there is an increment of 0.2. That means 0.2 is given to everyone. Is it clear? Previously it was 18, 18, 18 for 29 people. Now it is 18.2, 18.2, 18.2 for 30 people because of this teacher. So 0.2 is given to 29 people. What is the value of this? 5.8. Very easy. Yes. And now the average of the new team, it is 18.2, so it is becoming 24. Is it clear to everyone? You can do it conventional method as well. 29 multiplied by 18 equals to a number. Then 30 multiplied by 18.2, it is also a number, and you just have to subtract these two values. Am I being very fast? Say yes, no. Okay. Anyone has any doubt? Clear, everyone? Good. Okay, so try to solve this question. Consider a sequence of 7 consecutive integers. The average of first 5 integers is n. The average of all 7 integers is. Okay, Bhavya, I'll do it. You can ask your questions in the group. Now try to solve this question. Okay, Vanishi, your doubt was why subtraction? Because this is the total age of these students. Now this is the total age including the teacher. So initially I have students only. Now I have students plus teacher. If I subtract this minus this will be cancelled out and the answer will be the teacher. And this is what I have to do. 24. Okay, Malika, let me explain it. Guys, a lot of you are facing doubt in that question. So let me do it for you. Okay. So the question says average age of 29 students is 18. 29 multiplied by 18. Sum of, this is like total age, you can say. Total age of students. What is the value? Guys, can you please tell me what will be the value? 29 multiplied by 18. 522. How do you guys solve it? I do it like this: 18 multiplied by 30, which is 540 minus 18, because I have to multiply it by 29. So I have to subtract 18. 540 minus 18, it is 522. This is how you can do. So, okay. So total age is 522. It is of students only, right? So now, of 30 people, including the teacher, I have to multiply it by 18.2. What is the value, guys? Can you solve it for me? 546. Very good. Okay. Yes, no. Okay. Actually, there was some internet glitch. I'm very sorry. Yeah, I don't know what it was. It was due to my AirPods or now audible, right? Okay, so answer for this question is n plus 1. Let me tell you how. Okay, so let us assume some 7 consecutive numbers. Guys, you can tell me any numbers which should be consecutive integers. Tell me the numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want 7, 6, 7. Good. So what is the average value? 4. Is it clear? What is the average value? And it is given to be, okay, so first 5 and integers. Okay. So what is the value of these 5 numbers? It is 3. Say yes, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the value of these 5 numbers? Average value of 3. Okay, if I add 6 and 7, what will be the value? This, 4. So if this is n, what is the value of this? N plus 1. Is it clear to everyone? If this is n, this will be n plus 1. So answer for this question is option B. It is very easy. You don't have to solve it. You just have to assume any numbers. You can take like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the average here? 7. If I include 10 and 11, what will be the average? 8. Is it clear to everyone? How I can do it? Okay, I'll explain it once again. Don't worry. So the question says that we have to choose 7 n consecutive numbers. So you gave me you gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Tanya, you can do it. 6, 7. Now, as per the question, these 5 numbers have an average, which is n. What is the average here? 3. Is it clear to everyone? 3 is the average. Now, if I include all of these numbers, the new average will be 4. And 4 is n plus 1. So n plus 1 will be the answer. Okay. Next question you have to solve. Okay, what if it is 6 or 8 instead of 7? You can solve it like that as well. You can take any numbers. You just have to add all the numbers and divide it by number of terms. Then you can calculate the average. Guys, if you're sitting in a car and it is moving at 65, 70, 85, and then 100, what will be your average speed? Don't we say that 60 kmph is the speed? What does that mean? 80 kmph is the speed. What does that mean? This is the average speed of the journey. This is the average speed of the journey. Because you cannot move 60 kmph for the whole journey. Maybe there are some breakers. Maybe you have to stop for some water or something else. So this is average. Now, this question you have to solve. Average goals is scored. Yes, Vikas, if you solve this, maybe it is 77.5. I'm not solved it, but you have done it. So maybe this is the answer. Try to solve the question, which is this. Average goals is scored by 15 people. In EPL is 16. Maximum goals scored by a player is 20 and minimum is 12. Goals scored by players is between 12 and 20. What can be the maximum number of players who scored at least 18 goals? Very easy question, guys. You just have to understand what is written. Okay, Himanshu, your answer is 6. I have given options. Okay. Pandika, your answer is also 6. Manshi, your answer is 9. So this is done. This is done. Let others try and then we'll solve. Are you guys trying? Or should I start solving this question? Okay. Vishnu got 5. Okay. I think we should start solving it. Yes, yes. So answer for this question is 9, I guess. Let us check. Okay. As per the question, average goals scored by 15 selected players in EPL is 16. Players, 15, average 16. And now the question says, okay, Anushka, your answer is 10. Very good. So all the options we have, you have marked all the answers. Let me try this question. So as per the question, maximum goals scored by a player is 20. So one person scored 20, right? And minimum is 12. Okay. And the range is given, which is 12 to 20. I have not done anything. I have just written the data which is given in the question. What can be the maximum number? This is the question of players who scored at least 18 goals. Guys, if I have to make this a maximum, okay, so let me rub it and then we'll explain. Okay, so I have to make it maximum, right? 18 plus should be maximized. And one person is scored 20, right? 15 players we have. Can we do it like this? Average is given to be 16, right? Now, if I give all the people 18 plus, if I take 10 to be answer, 10 to be the answer, let us do it by options. So 18 plus, there will be 10 people. That means 18 multiplied by 9 plus 20. What is the value of total goals? See, total goals we have 15 multiplied by 16, which is 250. Is it clear to everyone? I have to maximize this number. Total goals we have 250. If I take 10 to be the answer, guys, try to understand. 18 multiplied by 9, what is the value? 162, right? Plus 20, it is. What's the value now? 182. Yes. Now, what is the left number? Is it 68? And how many people are left? By 4? Is it 240? Is it 240? 16 multiplied by 15. Is it 240? Yes. So yeah, I made a mistake here. I'm really sorry. Very good. Okay. Okay. How do you guys do it? 16 multiplied by 15. 160 plus 80. It is 240. I don't know how did I write it. Okay, so it will be 58. Is it? Okay, let me explain it again. We are going to do it from very start. Okay. So total goals we have 16 multiplied by 58 is 240. Now a person is scored 20 and I have to maximize this number. 18 plus should be maximized, right? Suppose if I take 10 people to score 20, so what will be the hello, am I audible to all? Okay. So one person scored 20 as per the question because maximum goals scored by a player is 20. Now, if I take 10, one is this person because we have to find out who scored at least 18. That means 18, 19, or 20, right? So 18, if I take it 10, then one person scored 20 goals, 9% will score 18. What is the value here? 162 plus 20, it is 182. Now the remaining part is it 58? Because out of 240, if 182 are scored by 10 people, then I have left with 58. How many people are left? 5, because 9 are there and 1 is this person. If I divide it by 5, what will be the value? 11 point something. This cannot be possible because the range is given 12 to 20. So 10 cannot be the answer. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, why 58 by 5? Okay, very good. So how many people we have? 15? Yes, no? Okay, let me explain it once again. Guys, please be with me. Number of people, goals, average goals, 15 multiplied by 16. Total goals will be 240. So try to understand one thing. I have to increase 18 plus scorers, right? People who have scored 18 plus, because I have to find out the maximum possible number. And as per the question, so what I'll do is I'll take everyone who, like, maximum number of people scoring 18 goals. Then I'll be getting the answer. But as per the question, 20 people, one person, sorry, one person scored 20 goals, right? So it is 20. Now, as per the question, if I take 10 to be the answer, try to understand what can be the maximum number of players who scored at least 18 goals. If one person scored 20, if I take 10 to be the answer, I am left with 9 persons. Is it clear to everyone? 18 multiplied by 9, what is the total number of goals? 162 plus 20 of this person, it is 182. So out of 240 goals, 182 are scored by these 10 people, 9 plus 1. Now, total number of people, 15. Total 15 players are here, but 10 persons have scored 182. How many goals are left? 58. Is it clear? 240 minus 182 equals to 58. And how many people are left? 5. So I have to divide it by 5. I just want to check the average. I just want to check the average. So it will be 11 point something. It is not 12. Can you please distribute this 58 in 5 people? Just do it for me. And everyone should have at least 12 goals. Guys, please tell me the number. What should I write here? You were asking why did I do this, right? Please tell me first number. If we try to do it. Okay, very good, Vanishri. 11.6 is a goal, right? You can score 1 goal, 2 goal, 3 goal. 11.6 goals. How can you score? How can you score 11.6 goals? Can I score 2.5? 2.5 goals can I score? Can I make 4.5 runs in a match? No. So this is not possible. This is what I wanted to say. I think it is clear to everyone now. So similarly, if I take 9, because the maximum possible number I have to find out, right? 10 is not working here. So I can take 9. Now, if let us do it with 9. I'm taking this much time to explain this question. If you have any doubt, please ask. Total goals, we know it, 240. Yes, this is very difficult. So if you can do it, it's very easy by the way. But if you, for that, you have to understand the trick. Then you can do it. Okay, Sandeep, you were saying 12, 12, 12, 11, 11, 36 plus 22. What is the value? 36 plus 22. Very good. It is 58. But as per the question, goals scored by players is between 12 and 20. Is it clear, Sandeep? You cannot take 11. Okay, so now let us take 9 to be the answer. Okay, let me explain you how. 240 goals are here. If I take 18 plus people to be 9, one person has scored 20 and 8 people scored 18. 18 multiplied by 8. What is the value, guys? Please tell me. Is it clear to everyone? 164 goals are scored by these 9 players. Now, there are 6 players. There are 6 players available and goals available are, can you please tell me the difference? 76. So can I divide it by 76? What will be the value? 12 point something. Now you will ask that how will someone score 12 point something? Let me tell you how. I'm not saying that someone scored 12 point something. It is like 12, 12, 12. How many people are there? 6, right? Okay. 36. 40 is remaining. 12, 12. What is this? 60. Can I do it? Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? So maximum number of players who score at least 18 becomes 8 plus 1, which is 9. So answer for this question is 9. You just have to catch one thing, which is catch two things. The first one is it will be 164 by 6. Why 164 by 6? 164 will be divided among these people. 164 will be divided like this. Let me explain you how. 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, and this 20. Now you can see this is the maximum number of pairs who scored 18 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can do it like this. Simran, I just took an example. You can do it like this: 13, 13, and 14. And if you want this to be 13, you can do it like this: 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 13. 76 is there because 164 goals are scored by 9 players, and now players are left 6 players, and the number of goals left 240 minus 164, which is 76. and I have to, yes, Ayushi, you are right. Anupriya, you can take it 14 if you want, you can take it 12. You just have to divide 76 goals among 6 people. So there is only one condition. Let me tell you what. So there is only one condition. 76 goals should be divided among 6 people. Only one condition is there. No one gets less than 12. Can you do it? We can do it 12, 12, 13. It is possible. You can also do it 13, 13, 13, 13, 12, 12. You can do it, right? So I just took an example. I hope you understand this question. It is 9. If you have any doubt, you can ask it in the group. Also, you can take you can watch the video again. The recording for this video will be available. Don't worry. Okay, try to solve this question. The average weight of a group of 8 girls is 50 kg. If 2 girls R and S replace P and Q, the new average weight becomes 48 kg. The weight of P equals to weight of Q, and the R equals to S. Yes, Simran, you are right. Try to solve this question. It's very easy question. So Pratik, don't worry. Just try to solve it. Okay, Anushka, your answer is 48. Let others try as well. Yes, Priyanshi, you'll get a study plan. Don't worry. I'll tell you, don't worry. Guys, if you're not solving this question, which is there, try to attempt this one. Like it's a try to solve this question. Okay, so guys, there is a question for you. A is taller than B, D is shorter than C, B is shorter than D. Then which among these people is the youngest? Okay, Desha, your answer is B. Himanshi, your answer is D. Anyone else? Sonam, your answer is B. B. Okay, all of you are getting B as your answer. Now, guys, did you notice one thing? Only one person noticed this thing, which is Manasi. This question talks about height. What I have asked you, youngest. What does youngest mean? The person who, yes, exactly. answer for this question is cannot be determined. I didn't give you the age. Youngest means age. Manshi, your answer is 56. Okay. So you just have to read the question carefully. I have given you description about height and asked you about age. You cannot determine, right? Okay, so let's try the question which is there. Okay, the average weight of a group of 8 girls is 50 kgs. 2 girls are an replace P and Q. 8 girls, just try to understand. 50 kgs average, right? 2 girls are an replace. As per the question, R equals to S, P equals to Q. Can you say it? Another girl, T, who is included in the group with the new average weight of, which is 48 kg. It's very easy question, guys. I'll tell you how. So weight of T equals to weight of R. That means this equals to T. Is it clear? Okay, guys, can you please tell me one thing? If 5 people have an average of 7, and if there are 2 people joining them and have a not, and they have average of 7, what will be the new average of the team? If 5 people have an average of 7, 2 people who are joining them also have an average of 7, what will be the new average? 7, right? Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Yes. I think it is clear to everyone. Now let me tell you how I'm using this in the question given. That means if a person who has same average as of group, if he or she joins, then there won't be any changes, right? Okay, so as per the question, it says average weight of group of 8 girls is 50 kg. If 2 girls R and A as replace P and Q, the new average is 48. New average is 48 as per the question. Now, it is written that another girl T is included in the group and new average weight becomes 48. So you can see that there is no change. If I add T, there is no change. That means what is the weight of T? Can you please tell me? Is it 48? Yes, no? You just told me that if 7 is the average of group, and if there is a person whose average is 7, if I add this person in this group, the team's average will be 7. Now, age of R and S and T is 48. Is it clear to everyone? Say yes or no. Okay, okay. Now let's read this question again. As per the question, the difference between these two averages, 50 and 48, it is 2. And why is it there? Because of these 2 people. Okay, what is the total age previously? 50 multiplied by 8, it is, which is 400, is it? Now, 48 multiplied by 8. Can you solve it for me? Is it clear to everyone? Previously, before replacing, it was the total age, and after replacement, it is the total age. 384. Is it clear to all? 384. So what is the difference? Is it 16? Now this 16 is there because of P and Q, and both of them are of equal weight. If they have equal weight, that means these people are 8 kgs more than T, R, and S. Is it clear to everyone? Because these people have same weight, R and S, P and Q have same weight, and 16 is extra because of these two people. That means 8 is extra because of one person, which is P, and 8 is extra because of another person, which is Q. Now try to understand one thing, that 48 kg is the weight of T, and it is the average of the group as well, and 48 kg is the weight of R. Now if I subtract P minus R, it is 48. Sorry, it is 8. And I know the value of R, it is 48. So P will be 48 plus 8. It is 56. Answer for this question is option D. I think a lot of you are not getting this question. So do I need to explain it again? Please be very quick. Okay, so let me explain it again. Aditya, it will, there is one question. So let me tell you. Let me tell you everything. Guys, please be very quick with me. 8 girls, average is 50, total will be 40 kgs. Okay, now new 2 girls are there, R and S, 48. So 8 girls now again, because 2 girls gone, 2 girls came. So it will be 48 multiplied by 8, which is 384 kgs. There is a difference of 16, and 16 is there because of R and P and S and Q. That means P has 8 extra than R, right? P minus R equals to 8. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, Karnika, I'll explain. Don't worry. I think it is clear to everyone. Because P plus Q minus R plus S equals to 16. P equals to Q, it will be 2P. R equals to S equal to 2R. P minus R equals to 8. I can solve this equation, right? Okay, so P minus R is 8. I have one equation. Guys, please pay attention here. Now, as per the question, another girl T is included in the group and new average is 48. It is same as the previous one. That means it does not change anything. That means the the weight of T will be same, which is 48. If T is equal to 48, equals to R equals to S, because it is written weight of T equals to weight of R. R will be 48. If I put 48 here, P will be 48 plus 8, which is 56. Answer for this question is option D. I think it is clear to everyone. Okay, next question. Guys, this is the last question in this session. Please be very quick. The average weight of a class of 24 students is 36 years when the weight of the teacher is also included. Guys, please be very quick because we have only 4 minutes left. This session is going to end. Okay, let's take it kg. Solve it now. It could not be determined if it was years. And a lot of you are getting answers. 61, 61, very good guys. You just have to pay attention. If you have to put it like kgs, now solve it. 36 kgs. Question I have changed it. Try to solve this question. 61. Okay, now people are getting 61. Let's do it. 24 multiplied by 36. What is the value? Is it? Very good. 864. When the weight of the teacher is also included, number of people become 25 now. Average weight increases by 1. So average weight increases by 1, which is 37. Solve it for me. What is the difference, guys? See, this is total weight of students, and this is total weight of students plus teacher. 925 minus 864, students plus teacher minus students will give you teacher. It is 36 plus 25, which is 61. People, you will be getting the recording. Don't worry, it will be done till this weekend. Don't worry. So answer for this question is 61. So thank you so much, guys, for joining this session. This was the last question. I hope you got something. Okay, Tanya. Uh, yes. If you have any doubt, please ask it in the group. Thank you so much for joining us. Good night. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home. Yes, Mansi, every recording will be added in the dashboard. Anushka, ask it on the group. We'll be sharing the PDF. Don't worry.